What does this part and that part and this one and that one and these two parts have in common? All of them can be made with the SuperMold program. We created a flat rate program in order for you to get the tooling you need and the parts in low volumes to begin with. Afterward, you can go directly into production. It's called the SuperMold. If you need a cost-effective solution for metal injection molded tooling, SuperMold is going to be your answer. If it fits within a 2-inch configuration, we can get your metal injection molded tooling completed in 10 calendar days. Afterwards, we center the part, and the part will be ready for you quickly. You see, the SuperMold is applicable to any situation where you have an open and shut mold. Part fits within a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. Here's the secret. What if I told you that the mold you need is already mostly built? All you're worried about is what fits in the cavity. Our process doesn't care what your part does. Aerospace, medical, consumer, retail, just doesn't matter. All that matters is that it fits in a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. Machining a metal part with tight tolerances is a very good idea in low volumes. But perhaps your volumes are picking up, the prototype has been proven, the market is expanding, and all of a sudden you're faced with machining thousands of parts with very delicate features, and your manufacturing group is overwhelmed. By molding the parts with metal injection molding, you can reduce a cost and reduce the headache. The part is molded in the net shape. That means that all the delicate features, the holes, the located ribs, all the things that are critical to the customer are already in place. We then center that part in a hydrogen backfilled oven at 2400 degrees, and what's left is 100% metal, net shape. The SuperMold is one stop, one price. You know exactly what you're getting before you start. You're getting a mold, lifetime guarantee, 1,000 parts, the capability to make more parts, and real molded parts that fit your application right now. You see, in the SuperMold program, the idea is to give you your geometry in your material. Medical grade, permanently implantable, something to go outside in the sun, it doesn't matter. To make a custom injection molded part, the engineers get together and we discuss what type of metal will this fit in and where's it going to go, what will the configuration be, and how are we going to fixture it, where's the programming. Oh my goodness, there's so many different things. And that's just to make the tool. We know that the SuperMold fits here. It uses this fixturing. The metal's ready to go. The graphite for the EDM is ready to rock and roll. And the programming is mostly done. You see, you take advantage of the fact that we have everything ready to go for a part that fits your size. Whether it be this part or whether it be this part, they all have something in common. They're all part of the SuperMold program. They fit in a 2x2 cylinder in an open and shut mold.